Hello there guys, it's Sam again with another video review. So, do you remember the Nitecore tube? That was a really unique keychain flashlight, super tiny and super powerful. So today we are going to make a video review on the latest release from Nitecore, the tube version 2. This took an award from Kerryology. Same design, same dimensions, but 10 lumens bigger than the previous version, 45 lumens. This one has 55 lumens. Also we have quicker charging time. The last version was 2 hours to fully charge. This one takes up to 1 hour and 30 minutes for fully charged. Also we have a max runtime 58 hours on this one versus the previous that has 48 hours of runtime. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. Last one, this is the new one. On the right side we have the version 1, and on the left we have the version 2. So as you can see, it's quite the same. Micro USB on this one, and the same on the old one, exactly the same. So as you can see, it's quite obvious, the bigger battery on this one. On the inside you can see. Let me see the actual grams on each one. So let's see how much each one of these weighs. So this one is the version 1 and it weighs 9.2 grams, and this is the new one. It weighs 9.5 grams. So yeah, it's obvious that they put some more juice on the new one. That's why it lasts 10 hours more and has 10 lumen more, and it takes half an hour quicker to charge. So yeah, let's also see how it actually works. So double click if you want to power it on. Double click. It's quite the same. It's a little bit more yellow, I see, on the new one. I think so. A little bit more white, cold color on this one. This is a little bit more warm. Both seem to have 100 beam angle, as you can see over here, and also it comes in different colors, and they use IP65 rating